cold, but I'm so happy. It's so pretty. Look at this. Ah, so nice. Yay. Wow. So today we are on our way to Changu Lake and we have just stopped to rent our boots and jackets and all. We see so many people today here, like so many, and it's so beautiful. The entire journey is so beautiful. It's filled with snow. I mean, it's just so beautiful. We are here. Are you feeling cold?
So much.
Did you rent the thing?
I rent my shoe, I rent jacket.
Yeah, it is really cold. This is mine, no? I know, नहीं इसका तो मैं आपको दोनों चाहिए.
कल गाड़ी नहीं लगेगा.
कल हम लोग ऐसे टाउन में ही. It's the best to have Maggie at this weather. It's so good. You can feel the thing going inside.
You didn't have Maggie or what
just feels so good.
What you had, right?
It's so yummy. So we rented the boots and gloves, and my friends also rented some jackets. It's around like 100 to 200 to 300 bucks. We had some yummy Maggies. Also yesterday, yes, we did cancel to go to Lachung because we were supposed to go to Yamthang Valley as well, and they said like there's nothing to see, so we decided to come back to Bangkok and come to Changu Lake today, and I am very happy with the decision. Hello people, we have reached the place and there are like thousands of people here. I didn't expect.
Lots of people.
Thousands. Look, when I came last May, 2019 May, I have a vlog on that. It was so good, not much of people, and I actually don't like it when it's so crowded. I don't know why. I just don't feel that comfortable, but whatever. People going to enjoy after COVID and all of that. So we are going towards the ropeway now, and this is very slippery, very scary too. How did you feel? I felt very bad. Then back to Sony. We have taken the video. And I almost fell down, but there were two kind men who picked me up. So thank you. It's really slippery, dude. This is the Asia's highest ropeway. Yes. Oh, we look so dicey. Oh yes. That is on Kanchenjunga. It's so cold. I'm freezing actually. Look at that. Judy. I'm on my hands and shivering so badly. Hi Judy. Hi. Hi Vivek.
Yo, you're looking at Kanchenjunga there. Damn beautiful.
Do what?
Keep this in the vlog, please don't edit it.
Yeah, sure.
You want to build a snowman?
Oh, just wait to come to sun. I got the shot. My pants all.
Go, let's go.
We are making snowman.
Very huge, big snow.
Wait, no, I will
So it's so good, guys, in the snow. Look at this. I can just go like this. It's so good. I hope you guys are enjoying with me too, because I am enjoying too much. Here is the snow view. This is beautiful, guys. We just had so much fun in the snow.
So much! What's up? So much!
So now we are heading towards the next spot.
Who wants to go in Changu?
Where?
Get going.
What's the next spot? I got this! I totally got this.
We did build a snowman. It's so nice. Look what's so cool. Now let's go.
Let's go.
Changu Lake, which is frozen now. We are going there.
Half frozen.
Yeah, half frozen, yeah.
And the other half is wow.
And look at the road, guys. It's so curvy and it's so good. Damn. So, did you guys have fun in the ice? Very much. What so much?
But it's damn cold.
We even slipped so many times.
Barsha did. Barsha fell. That's gonna be enough. Barsha fell.
I am kind of feeling dizzy and tired too, because I had to put on so much energy while playing at this cold. But it's fine. It's fine now.
As long as she had fun and we all had fun. Bye bye. Signing off.
See you on the other side. This is the lake. It's been half frozen now. Very pretty. Guys, so cute.
This is gonna.
This is so cute. Anyways, yeah, so I remember when the last time I came here was in the month of May in 2019. There's also already a vlog on it, but that time I didn't know how to make videos much properly, so it isn't that good, but you can still go and watch it. But that time it was so peaceful because there was not much of people, not much of tourists. But then it's good now also. Look at the view, guys. Feel the feet anymore.
Yes. It feels like we're barefoot.
Yeah, seriously, it's so cold.
What did you say? I'm feeling dirty of this goo here. The shit. If you people don't understand what's goo.
How are you feeling, Prem?
I'm damn happy.
Just happy, not feeling cold or what?
No.
Wow, nice. Guys, tell me one thing. Do you remember the last time we came here?
Yeah, that's what. See the same rock that we took a picture in. The lake is there.
But I think it's much prettier this time, like, you know.
It's very beautiful and chilly.
And Judith can't feel her legs.
I literally cannot move because my legs are like gone.
We slipped so many times. I can't even give you a count, I think. How do you feel traveling?
Amazing. Feels so good. We've been at home
For the longest time.
and now it's like a reunion.
Yeah.
So long.
And to a beautiful place. Like this. Look at this frozen. Half frozen. Oh my god, I'm really super sorry about the quality. Like I said, my phone's camera got a little cracked and my vlogging camera's battery went dead. My GoPro's battery also went dead. Extra batteries in the car. I have to travel all the way there to get that, which is why So sorry about it. Even my phone is gonna be, battery gonna be dead soon. Anyways, this is the whole view, guys. Okay, now on serious note, we are going back to our hotel because it's so cold and I can't feel my legs anymore. So yeah,